Prime Minister Narendra Modi welcomed Fiji's Prime Minister Rabuka and his delegation to New Delhi. The two leaders held comprehensive and forward-looking discussions on the full spectrum of bilateral matters and regional and global issues of mutual interest. Both leaders expressed their intent to collaborate on strengthening regional maritime security, contributing to peace and stability in the Indo-Pacific region. India and Fiji on Monday firmed up a broad action plan to expand their defence and maritime ties after talks between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Fijian counterpart Sitiveni Rabuka. In their bilateral talks in New Delhi, the two leaders condemned terrorism, backed UN reforms and pledged joint efforts for a peaceful Indo-Pacific.
हमने रक्षा और सुरक्षा क्षेत्र में आपसी सहयोग को मजबूत करने का निर्णय लिया है। इसके लिए एक एक्शन प्लान तैयार किया गया है। फिजी की मैरीटाइम सिक्योरिटी को सशक्त करने के लिए भारत से ट्रेनिंग और इक्विपमेंट में सहयोग दिया जाएगा। साइबर सिक्योरिटी और डेटा प्रोटेक्शन के क्षेत्रों में हम अपने अनुभव साझा करने के लिए तैयार हैं।
Prime Minister Modi welcomed Fiji's interest in joining the Indo-Pacific Oceans Initiative. Prime Minister Modi complimented PM Rabuka's leadership in championing the concept of Ocean of Peace in the Pacific region.
पैसिफिक आइलैंड देशों से सहयोग में हम फिजी को एक हब के रूप में देखते हैं। हम दोनों फ्री, ओपन, इंक्लूसिव, सुरक्षित और समृद्ध इंडो पैसिफिक का समर्थन करते हैं। प्रधानमंत्री जी की ओशंस ऑफ पीस एक बहुत ही सकारात्मक सोच है। भारत के इंडो पैसिफिक ओशन इनिशिएटिव से जुड़ने के लिए हम फिजी का स्वागत करते हैं।
It is Fiji Prime Minister Rabuka's first visit to India in his capacity as the Prime Minister of the South Pacific nation. PM Rabuka appreciated Prime Minister Modi's leadership in eradication of poverty.
Many people were surprised when I announced that I would like to do what Prime Minister Modi has done in India, and that is eradicate poverty, particularly in the rural and our maritime areas. And first of all, it has to be eradicated from the minds of the people who have believed for so long that they are poor. They do not have to believe, and they can get out of it. First of all, they have to believe they are not poor.
Overall, the two sides inked 7 pacts to broad-based cooperation in sectors including health and medical services, migration and mobility, capacity building, and on big impact projects.
हमने तय किया कि सुवा में 100 बेड सुपर स्पेशलिटी अस्पताल बनाया जाएगा। डायलिसिस यूनिट्स और सी एम्बुलेंस भेजी जाएगी और जन औषधि केंद्र खोले जाएंगे। हम चाहते हैं कि सपनों की दौड़ में किसी के कदम रुके नहीं, इसलिए फिजी में जयपुर फूड कैंप भी लगाया जाएगा।
India also committed itself in supplying mobile soil testing laboratories and agriculture drones to the Sugar Research Institute of Fiji. India and Fiji reiterated their shared commitment for global South-South cooperation, and Fiji Prime Minister Rabuka appreciated the leadership role of India in organizing the Voice of Global South summits. Bureau Report, DD India.